It's really blustery today. You can really see the wind hitting that snow on top of the river and the big poof of snow going across the sky from it. And back in the woods here, you can hear the trees hitting each other and creaking. So yeah, it's a windy, chilly day today, but very optimistic we'll get some good photos.
Well, Denise, let me borrow the camera for a minute. I'm going to try to get a shot, and we'll see if that works out. I'm going to look downriver, and on the ice out here, it's pretty darn cold. We've got all these bent over brush along the shoreline here, and some snow drifts and some uncovered ice right out there. And we've got a little bit of sun in the clouds. I think that's a pretty cool shot. I mean, I really like the lighting coming through the clouds back here. It's going to get increasingly difficult to talk. My face is freezing up. I see a pretty cool shot right there behind us. So I just took a few steps and there's a tree that broke off in the snow over here laying down, and it's got some snow on top of it. And kind of leads its way back into the forest. I don't know how that'll look as a photo, but we're going to find out. That's promising. I had a little bit of a blade of grass in the way right here. And just for Denise, I'm going to zoom in on that blade of grass and take a photo of it. I'm no good at grass photos. Denise will have to redo that.
A little hard to move your focal point when you've got gloves on.
The snow is quite deep over here, but that's okay. It's worth it for getting this nice glow in the sky. Are you warm enough?
Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't think I dressed good enough today.
Well, I guess the wind chill is about 35 degrees below zero right now.
Oh yeah, I feel
It's pretty chilly out here.
Mm-hmm.
But I think we'll have to call it a day and maybe go see if we can find some hot cocoa. So how do you think about that?
I like that, honey.
My hands are getting kind of cold. How about yours?
Oh yeah, I can't feel them.
Okay.
Or
Well,
my lips.
I think I see one more cool photo to take. We'll do that final shot.
You do it quick.
We'll do it quick.
You do it quick.
Yep. So thanks for watching. We're freezing out here, heading back in. We appreciate your views, and if you like and subscribe, that's great too. And we'll be back with more from the frozen Northwoods in our white, snowy, frozen forest studio. Thanks for watching.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. All right. Let's head back where it's warm, huh?
Yes, please.